what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna be telling you why exactly I am not recording. You all might be wondering why I'm not recording. Well, it's really just because a lot of stuff have been going on, and I really need to get, soon I'll be starting an animation channel, so that's when I get my drawing pad, which I don't know when it's gonna be, but I'm gonna have a drawing tablet, and I can make all these cartoons with them, and I can share it with you guys. I'm gonna make another channel with animation and stuff because I really want to do that. So yeah, but there's a lot of stuff going on right now, so I really need to tell you this. So first reason is because, well, the animation thing, like I told you guys, and I've been playing with my friends Fortnite recently, and it takes me a while to really post videos, but now we're literally gonna post one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you guys what's been going on lately. Okay? Okay. So don't judge. This isn't how I really write in real life. I actually write a little bit better, I think. This is just because I'm doing it with my mouse, so it's harder. So the reason why I haven't really uploaded videos so far is mostly because I'm doing some stuff and they're very important. So yeah, and I'm still working on the book, the book with my book that I'm making, that I'm still working on. So yeah, if you guys really want to know how much it's for, there's still a lot. So I'm gonna do this art. It's gonna be how my character looks. I don't think he's gonna look that good. So, oh wait, this is fur. So I don't know how good it's gonna look on computer because I don't really draw on computer that much. I'm gonna try my best to make it as good as possible. Hold on. Okay, I can't do it, but it's something like this, and with a little mouth, but the body, it just, I think you guys know what I'm talking about. If you don't worry, you don't need to know. You don't need to know what that is. You really don't need to know what this looks like right here. So if you guys are wondering what kind of website this is, wait, first of all, how did I get into this first? Okay, I gotta stop. So let me actually tell you the reason. New stuff is going on lately. Roblox, the new Arthro update is out. I'll try doing a video. I'll try doing a video on that, but so yeah. But what I can tell you guys is that lately a lot of stuff has been going on. I'm gonna get a new computer soon. I'm gonna have a new monitor, so I'm gonna need, it's gonna take some time before I upload the next video, and I still have a lot to do. Like I said, you guys all have this, but I had a break from school. It was a Thanksgiving break. Just so you know, guys, I don't celebrate Thanksgiving. Don't judge. It's just that I don't. So yeah, I had a break, and I know I wasn't posting videos. I was gonna try making a live stream, but I thought I'll just tell you why I'm not doing it so far. So far, like I told you, I'm gonna get a new computer. I'm gonna be able to play Fortnite on it. I got the new chicken skin in Fortnite. I don't know if you guys know about it, but I got the new chicken skin. So yeah, let me find a chicken. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, I got the new chicken skin. I got Whiplash, stuff like that, new skins. I don't think you guys want to know that much what I got, so I'm just gonna go right into the other one. So the reason, hold on a second. The reason why I'm not posting is because it's really just because the stuff I told you with the computer that's going, well, no, not the computer, but my friends, me and them play a lot of Fortnite. I'm gonna try my best to take some time out, but I've been drawing a lot lately. I've been thinking, how could my character look? What can I do to it to look nice when I post an animation channel? Well, I will tell you all of that, guys, when I do, because I'm gonna have an animation channel like I told you, and I'm gonna be doing speed arts if I can. That's one of the main reasons, and the main big reason that I'm not posting is because I don't really have time. I know you're thinking, the parrot, how could you not have time when the day is 24 hours? I have a lot of stuff to do. I have to go to school. Monday school begins again. Yeah. School. That's the big thing that I don't post. I'm fine with it. I'll try to post more. But yeah, I really just can't post that much right now because I gotta do a lot of stuff. I have to look, this is my normal schedule. Get home. Okay, first go to school. Get home, play with your friends Fortnite like I always do, or Roblox. Then do whatever you like. Do your homework at 4. After you do your homework, go outside. Come outside, eat while watching YouTube. and then I pretty much only have a little bit of time left, and I'm literally gonna go to sleep. So yeah, that's my schedule. I'm gonna try my best putting in more time of YouTube, because I know you guys really want me to do more videos like this. A lot of my friends who watch my YouTube channel are like, why aren't you posting more? And I'm like, I don't really have time. So I hope you guys understand. If you want me to explain more, please tell me in the comments below or something like that. So yeah, but I'll try posting more. And when the next video comes out, I'm probably gonna be playing some Roblox on the new update. Okay, guys? So I'm literally just gonna I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna listen. So I'm gonna do a little art here. And I'm gonna do a little art here so that you guys can enjoy me drawing, because I think you guys like speed arts, but because I don't really think I can do a speed thing with this, I'm just gonna draw. So what I'm simply gonna draw is me next to the YouTube logo. So I'm gonna pause the video because this is gonna take a while, and I don't want the video being too long, because as you guys know, I don't really know how to do speed on a computer. I've never really tried it. So I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be right back. I'm back. So guys, here's the drawing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the drawing that I made for you guys. So I'm sorry for all the stuff that I'm sorry for not uploading for a couple days or something, but I will try my best to upload more lately. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like this video, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you want, and I will see you guys in the next one.